Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the top door hinge on your freezer, use tape to secure the door. Remove the hinge cover. Then use a 5/16 inch socket or nut driver to unthread the 3 screws, securing the hinge to the cabinet. With the screws unthreaded, you can lift the old hinge straight up to remove. Install the new top door hinge by aligning it on the door. Then thread and tighten the 3 screws. Replace the hinge cover and remove the tape.